Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.6 question number 3. Naina was given one and whole 1 by 2 piece of cake and Najma was given one whole 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Right? We will solve this problem this way. You see, Naina was given. We are solving this problem. Naina was given Naina was given one whole 1 by 2 piece of cake. Piece of cake. Cake, right? And Najma was given Najma was given Najma was given one whole 1 by 3 piece of cake. Therefore, find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. That means we have to add both the fractions, right? Therefore, total amount of cake, total amount of cake, amount of cake, total amount of cake is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2 plus 1 whole 1 by 3 to mixed fraction. Therefore, we'll add this one. First of all, 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1, 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2, plus 3 1 is 3, plus 1, 4 by 3, 4 by 3. We'll find the LCM of 2 and 3, LCM of 2, LCM of 2 and 3, that is it is divided only by 1, that is 2 and 3. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Right? Here LCM is 6, that means LCM is 6. Right? If we divide 6 by 2, it is 3, that is 3 into 3, 3 into 3, plus if we divide 6 by 3, it is 2, that is 2 into 4, into 4. Therefore, we are getting 3 3 is 9, plus 4 2 is 8 by 6. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 by 6. If we divide 17 by 6, we are getting 17 by 6, 6 2 is 12, 7 minus 2 is 5, that is 2 whole is equal to 2 whole 5 by 6. Okay, so find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Therefore, total amount of cake, total amount of cake, amount of cake total amount of cake given to both of them, given to both of them, to both of them is 2 whole 5 by 6 5 by 6 piece of cake. piece of cake. Let me repeat once again. Well, here you see that is Naina was given 1 whole 1 by 2 piece of cake and Najma was given 1 whole 1 by 3 piece of cake. Therefore, the total amount of cake will be 1 whole 1 by 2 plus 1 whole 1 by 3. That comes to 2 whole 5 by 6. Therefore, total amount of cake given to both of them is 2 whole 5 by 6 piece of cake. This is the solution of question number 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.